it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4, really. Part 3 is really just part 2 of this one, but I just text a path. And I did it by making a copy, and while that one was loaded, I thought, there's an easier way to do it. Both of them would work equal as well. And if you didn't watch the first video, it's really hard to put text and path into a box. So here's our box. And I'm going to lock the box, and there's a reason for that, so I won't move it. And also I'm going to get my 3-point curve line, and I'm going to see if I didn't have the box lock, it would grab that node. And then I'm going to hold down the control button. Whoop. And the control button makes a perfect arc, and I'm off a little bit, so let's back up here. Go from that node to that node, then hold down the control button, and you get a perfect arch. Now we can move that arch out of the way and text a path on our arch. It might even be easier than before. I'm having a little bit of trouble, but there you go. And like we said before, you can move that over at your discretion. Now, because we nudged it, we can nudge it right back over, but we need to take away that line. So break text apart and then nudge it. And just like before, it's over. So really we're too far. So let's back up here till we get this, and let's move I moved the SA too far. Now let's go to arrange, break apart, move the text over, and then select, well, this is locked, remember, so we have to unlock it. And then we can select it all and hit E for even between your object. So that'd be a little bit quicker. Just all depends on the circumstances. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.